Hello, welcome back to Leah's Leaves. This is a quick video here in the tomato patch because among my tomatoes is growing another plant. And in a previous video I said I tried growing these last year and I had what I believe was a bad batch of seeds. So I invested in seeds from a different company and I grew them in two different places. And I want to introduce you to the amazing and wonderful Cucamelon. We're going to pick a couple Cucamelons today. These are also known as mouse melons and Mexican sour gherkins. So if you're looking for seeds, you may find it under those terms instead. They are a small, petite vine. They take forever to get started. They're not like other melons that germinate quickly and grow quickly. These took months to grow to this size. But here we are at the end of July. Tomorrow is August 1st. And they are popping. So it was definitely worth the wait. They're an excellent companion plant to many things, including tomatoes. So I planted them next to my climbing triple crop tomatoes, which you see growing up here over a cattle panel trellis. And these little cucamelon vines are just weaving their way through the tomatoes. They are, as you can see, just about the size of a dime. They taste like cucumbers. They have the texture of a crispy, crunchy cucumber, but they have the added flavor pop of a little bit of citrus. Almost like you took your cucumber and squirted a little bit of lime juice on it. They're excellent right off the vine. Some of these I'm going to eat now just as a snack, and some of them I'm going to chill and eat cold later because today's the coolest day we've had in weeks, and it's 85 degrees outside. And the heat beats me up. I don't know about you. Here is what the vine looks like. I hope that'll go into focus. Come on, little lady. There we go. Let's see if I can get that to focus. So there's the leaf, the vine, the tendrils, and then you see that teeny tiny little yellow blossom, and the blossom produces the fruit. And so I have 3 right in a row just growing on that little vine. These have been producing since the end of June, and they were kind of just a few at a time at the end of June. And then we hit July and they took off like crazy. I was so sad to miss these last year. I had to try them again. I'm so glad I did. They did wonderfully here. I'm on a south side of my house, full sun. But among the tomatoes, they get enough shade and cool that they don't get torched. So there they are, just weaving their way through my tomato plants. I even see some that fell on the ground, so I have more to harvest. I must have bumped those while I was staking up tomatoes earlier today. Anyway, if you've never tried these, I hope you'll give them a try. I think they're wonderful. They're just growing a ton of little snack-sized, refreshing fruits. They're perfect to snack on while you're working in the garden. I've never tried them, in a recipe. I think some people might have a pickling recipe. Not sure if they stay crispy in that process. I just like them fresh. But anyway, they take up no space at all. They'll grow around other things. And I highly recommend you try them. I'm learning a lot, sharing it here, and I hope you'll come grow with me. Bye.